If you look shorter than you actually are, if your stomach sticks out although you're not fat, if your physique looks weaker than it should, it's probably not your genetics, it's your posture. And the crazy part is, fixing it will instantly make you look taller, leaner, and more confident. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your posture instantly. Not just with exercises, but with the daily habits that are secretly ruining it. Most people think proper posture is simply about standing up straight. So they fix that, they stand up straight, and within 10 seconds, they go back to their bad habits. That's because your posture isn't a position, it's a system. Bad posture actually comes from 4 things: tight muscles pulling you forward, weak muscles that can't hold you upright, bad daily habits, and your environment constantly reinforcing it. So even if you fix just one of them, if the other ones aren't aligned, then your posture will still be bad. The first thing you need is awareness, because if your brain thinks your posture is normal, it'll always go back to it subconsciously. It will become your resting position, and that's the last thing that you want. So you have to start doing posture checks throughout the day. Just simply be aware of it. When you're on your phone, notice if your head is slouching down. If it is, fix it. Raise your phone, raise your head. If you're on your laptop, notice if your back is hunched, if your shoulders are slouched forward. If they are, sit back in your chair and hold yourself up. A quick and effective fix you can do in 5 seconds that will completely transform your posture in the moment is this. Throughout the day, when you're walking, when you're standing, when you notice that you have bad posture, simply bring your shoulders up, back, and down. That small adjustment will realign everything from your hips, your shoulders, your neck, and your head. And the more you do it, the more natural it becomes. So you'll notice that over time, you won't even have to think about it. You'll naturally be in this position because you do it so often. And the more you do this, the more you're aware of your bad posture and you constantly fix it, the more subconscious it will become as well. So over time, you'll naturally have better posture because it's something you're constantly fixing over time. Next, you need to loosen what's tight, because any muscle you have that is tight will have to compensate, and that will lead to bad posture. So if you have a tight chest, it'll pull your shoulders forward. If you have tight hip flexors, it'll tilt your pelvis. If you have a tight neck, it'll pull your head forward. So you're actually not standing wrong, you're being pulled wrong because of your tight muscles. So here's exactly how to fix the most common one. First, for your rounded shoulders, get your hands, put them behind your back, hold them like this, squeeze your shoulder blades together and lean back. Go back as far as you can, hold it for 20 seconds, come back up and repeat 3 times. You can also sit on the edge of a platform, a chair, a bed, it doesn't matter. Bring your arms straight to the side, keep your feet flat on the ground, and shift your weight back, keeping your core tight. Hold it for 15 seconds and bring it back up and repeat 3 times. Finally, put your feet, butt, and back against the wall. Then put your hands by your side where your elbows and your hands are touching the wall. Bring them slowly above your head, all the way up, and then back down. This is actually an exercise that will fix everything from your neck, your head, your shoulders, and your pelvic tilt. This one, repeat it for 12 reps and repeat it multiple times throughout the day. Next, for your hunched neck, lay down on the ground. Bring your hands behind your back, bring your elbows down to the ground. Raise your elbows up, squeeze, bring it back down, and repeat this 12 times. And while you're doing this, make sure your head is elevated off the ground. Don't rest your chin on the ground, because you want your neck muscles to actually be activated. Another exercise you can do is lay off your bed or something that's high, and you're gonna do reverse neck extension. So let your head hang off the bed, raise it back, squeeze, bring it back down, and repeat this 12 times. And then you can lay on your back and do the exact same thing, but this time raising your head upwards this way. Again, 10 to 12 reps. This will strengthen your neck muscles, keeping your head upright, and also will give you a nicely defined neck, which is what boxers have. So it's a win-win. Next, for your anterior pelvic tilt, which is what gives you that fat belly look. Your back is naturally arched, you look like Donald Duck. This one is a very common issue, and you want to strengthen your hip flexors and your glutes to balance it out so that you come back to this natural position. The first thing you're going to want to do is this stretch right here for your hip flexors. Put your knee on the ground, your leg forward, lean forward, and you'll feel the stretch right here in your hip flexors. Hold it for 10 seconds, bring it back. Do the exact same thing on the other side, and do it on each side 4 times. Now, to strengthen your pelvic and your glutes, which is what's causing that arched back, you want to go into a glute bridge like this. What you're going to do here is bring your pelvic down and bring it back up. Bring your pelvic down, bring it back up. It kind of looks like you're humping the air, but you'll feel it in your lower back. So let it relax, bring it back up. Let it relax, bring it back up, squeezing your glutes and squeezing your lower back. Oh, that one is really good. Now, this is the part nobody talks about. You can't fix your posture with exercises or in the gym if you spend the other 10 hours of your day ruining it. If you're constantly looking down at your phone, slouched over on your chair when you're on your laptop, this makes up 80% of your movement throughout the day. So if this is off, it doesn't matter what you do in the gym, what exercises you do, because most of your day is causing you to have bad posture. So you have to fix that. That is the root of the problem. problem. That's why your environment either fixes your posture or completely destroys it. So make sure where you're spending most of your day is promoting proper posture. Raise your screen to eye level, sit all the way back in your chair, keep your feet flat, bring your phone up instead of your head down. There are small adjustments, but they matter so much because you're doing it for the most part of your day. For me, one of the most important aspects and investments for my posture is my chair. I'm constantly sitting on my desk editing videos, working, answering emails for hours every single day, so the chair I sit in needs to be supporting my posture. So recently I upgraded my setup to the Secretlab Titan Evo Nano Gen Edition, and it's been one of the best decisions I've made for my posture, because good posture should feel natural. You shouldn't have to force yourself to sit upright, and this chair helps you do exactly that. It also looks sick. It has a bunch of colors, custom designs, so it actually fits your setup instead of ruining it. But the real upgrade of this is the engineering. The material is very high quality. The best part is the adjustment. You can literally adjust this chair so that it molds to your body. When I sit in this chair, I feel like it grabs me and forces me into proper posture, because you've got the 4-way L-adapt lumbar system. You have a nozzle like this on both sides. One of them inflates or deflates the lumbar support, the other moves it up or down. This is to match that natural curve in your back. So it's basically adapting to your spine instead of forcing you into a position. It also has the US ergonomic certification, which proves it's properly made. And you can adjust everything: armrest up or down, forward or back, even side to side. I can recline the chair or bring it all the way forward so that it supports me when I'm working. I can move the whole chair back so it's completely reclining. And now if I recline the chair, it literally turns into like a bed. It has a magnetic head pillow so you can place it wherever you want. Bro, I've been through a lot of chairs and you're gonna see me using this chair for a very long time. Nothing compares to it. It fits my setup, it looks sick, but it also supports my posture. If you want to get your own Titan Evo chair, click the link in my description or the pinned comment at the top. Now this is where most people mess up. They stretch, they do the mobility, all the exercises, but they don't strengthen their muscles. That makes it so that if you stretch, you're flexible so you can get into proper posture, but because your muscles are not strong enough, you can't stay there permanently. So as soon as you stop thinking about it, you automatically go back into bad posture. This is because your upper back holds your shoulders back, your core stabilizes your spine, and your glutes controls your pelvis. So if those are weak, you will automatically have bad posture no matter how hard you try. That's why you need to have a balanced workout routine that strengthens each part of your body. Each different day, you focus on different muscle groups. For example, on your back day, you do rows or face pulls for your upper back. Every workout, you finish off with 10 minutes of abs, or you do exercises such as planks for your core. On your leg day, you do glute bridges for your hips. The more you train these, the more your body will naturally become stronger and balanced, and as a result of that, you'll naturally have better posture. For example, you ever see people that have like very strong backs? They naturally just stand upright. Their shoulders are forced back. Versus someone that has a very weak back, you see that they're hunched over, they have a rounded back. I mean, there's many reasons to work out and to get into shape. Having better posture is just one of the many benefits you'll get from working out. Now, the final piece is your habits, because your posture is not something you fix one time. It's something you need to practice every single day. So I just want to reiterate this. It doesn't matter how much you work out, how many mobility, stretching, exercises you do, because 85-90% of your day, you are doing your daily habits, which is sitting at your desk, looking at your phone, walking, standing. Your habits during that time is the most important. So do the quick fix of shoulders up, back, and down. Be aware of your eye level, not looking down, always keeping it leveled with your screen or your phone. Even doing the exercises I showed you, you'll notice a big difference before and after you do them. Just remember, every small action you do either ruins your posture or improves it.